have a look at this, guys. I love the design of this Ninja Smart Double Oven. You have 2 compartments so that you can cook, bake, toast, 2 different things at the same time, different temperatures. So that's really cool. And so you can access both compartments with the handle, or to access just the top, you press this button and then you've got the top compartment. So also if you have like a big toaster oven like this, sometimes it can take a while to heat it up just to do things like bagels or toast. So this is really handy because it gives you that option to just use the top portion and it will heat up quicker. And then if you use the full portion, you've got that base, bigger base to do more items. Again, you can separate the cooking temperatures and cook them at different times. And this is a convection oven as well as an air fryer. So it comes with the air frying basket, and it comes with a couple of wire racks and a couple of trays. And it also has this sliding tray here to catch any crumbs and such in the top compartment. So really nice design, cool, I love it. I use my toaster oven a lot, and it was time for a new one. We don't use a microwave. So this is our microwave compartment, and I have my mixer up there and cutting boards and just some storage. And then I use my toaster oven to reheat small portions of things all the time, like soup and leftovers. So for me, a toaster oven is like an essential kitchen item, as well as my blender, immersion blender, the Instant Pot, food processor. This is the other item that I use all the time. So showing you that one. If you want more information, just link below and it'll send you through and you can check out more on the oven. Really cool design. I'll show you this one more time because it's so cool. Check that out. Yeah, so more information in the link below.